Welcome to At Home with Ann. Today, I'm going to speak to you for a moment about maintenance versus upgrades. When you prepare to sell your property, and even when you prepare to buy a property, knowing the difference, understanding the day-to-day difference in maintenance and upgrades can be important for you. Maintenance means your home is maintaining its value. If you don't maintain your home, you'll actually lose value. Maintenance means that your home is functioning as intended. When you turn on the air conditioner comes on. When you turn on the dishwasher washes the dishes. That is maintenance. Upgrades are when you actually elevate the way the home functions. You add square footage, or maybe instead of just a regular oven, you add a double oven. That might increase your value. You know, working in this business day to day, I see people who have spent a great deal of money on things that really didn't increase their value. But maybe they did increase their enjoyment of the property, but they didn't increase their value. So I want you to give serious thought, particularly before listing your home, in completing all the maintenance that you can in advance of putting your home on the market. Once you get a contract, all maintenance and repairs are required to be done by a licensed or commercial vendor. That could up your expenses. So get your honey-do list ready. Make sure your home is perfectly maintained and ready for sale. I'm Ann LaCusta, Keller Williams Dallas Metro North, and we're keeping real estate real.